Pakistan army is looting and plundering our wealth. Our people are suffering. We want the Pakistan army to be out of Balochistan. We want that Pakistan must be dismantled. The international community must take action because your experience of creating Pakistan, all the nationalities are suffering. Now it's time for the British and America to dismantle Pakistan. We don't need it. We can run our own land. Balochistan can be independent.
Pakistan is stop abducting. Pakistan is stop abducting. Pakistan is stop abducting. Pakistan is stop abducting.
About every journal of what happened under his tenure in Balochistan and
We are here to protest the occupation of Balochistan. 1947, British created this Pakistan for their purpose. That purpose is served now. They occupied Balochistan in 1948. Since then, the Pakistan army, the mercenary army, running the affairs of the country. We want the Pakistan army to be out of Balochistan. Pakistan army is looting and plundering our wealth. Our people are suffering. We want that Pakistan must be dismantled, created by British and supported by America. That support must be stopped. Enough is enough.
It's not fair. People are being picked up, people are disappeared, and there are human rights atrocities against Baloch people. This is a political issue which should be discussed politically, and the treatment is unfair. Sadly, this problem is going to continue unless somebody sitting in Islamabad decides to solve this politically and reach out to people. They keep putting governments in provincial governments that are unkind, and in that way this problem is going to continue. It's going to simmer. It's not going to bring peace either to Balochistan or to Pakistan.
to the West, they are living in the West. And everybody knows about every journal of what happened under his tenure in Balochistan, in Sindh,